Hey guys, it's Scarlett here. I'm gonna be doing monkey blocks for you, and I already made a little house, but for this part 1 I'm gonna be doing the inside. So let's get into it. So I'm gonna go and grab some items. 1 minute. So I'll be putting this little chair in. So I'll put the chair there, and I'm gonna put the camera like that so you guys can see what I'm doing inside. So 1 minute. Alright, so you guys, I'll be putting this. Oh, sorry guys, that might have shocked you. So I'll be putting this down right here, so you can read whatever you want. So like that's a little book area, where it's like a quiet area. You can be quiet all you want. So I'm gonna put this on the rug. So I'm gonna put that down on there. That's the little book area where it's like quiet and stuff. I'm gonna add a little fire in. So fire. Okay, right here. Okay, that's a nice. I'm gonna pull it back a tiny bit. And then guys, so we're gonna do a bit. I'm gonna do a living room, and then that'll be the end of the video. Okay guys, guess what? This is the end of the video. Like and subscribe for part 2. Bye guys, love you all.